In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Magic Grab in Canva. This feature is really handy when you want to isolate a subject in your photo, like a person or an object, and move it around without needing advanced design skills. First, open your design in Canva and make sure the photo you want to edit is already on your page. Start by clicking directly on the photo. This tells Canva which image you want to work with and activates the editing options for that specific picture. You should see a border appear around the image once it's selected. Next, look for the edit option that usually appears in the toolbar above or near the image. Click on Edit to open Canva's photo editing panel. This is where all the adjustment and enhancement tools live, and it's also where you'll find Magic Grab. Once the editing panel is open, navigate to the Magic Grab feature. Depending on your version of Canva, it may appear in a section with other AI tools or photo effects. Scroll through the options until you see Magic Grab. Give yourself a second to locate it the first time. After that, it'll be much easier to find. When you see Magic Grab, click on it to activate the tool. At this point, Canva will start analyzing your image. You might notice a brief loading animation or some indication that it's processing. This is completely normal, so just wait for it to finish. The time it takes can vary depending on your internet connection and the complexity of the photo, but usually it's only a few seconds. After Canva has processed the image, you'll see a button or prompt labeled Grab. Click on Grab to tell Canva you're ready to select your subject. Now, move your cursor over the person or main subject in the photo and click on them. Canva will detect that subject and separate it from the background for you. Once the subject is selected, you can click and drag them upward or to any position you want on the canvas. Dragging up is a simple way to see that the subject is now independent from the background. From here, you can resize, reposition, or combine it with other elements in your design. And that's it. By following these steps, selecting your photo, opening Edit, navigating to Magic Grab, letting it process, clicking Grab, choosing your subject, and dragging it, you can quickly transform a flat photo into a more flexible, customizable design.